Oh, they call this my number. Action when I. Hello, boy. Let's go there, share this video. Share this video. Share this video, guys. Let's go there. That music was played by Queen O Okoro. You go, if you want to enjoy that music, we are just play so. For your house, go YouTube. Go type Queen O Okoro. You go see the song there. For enjoy a lot of music there. Sweet ones. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Why not? You see there? Let's play this on music. I will say, go on, you don't be on my way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna call me Mumu Ladyjtvshow, the elephant one of Papillon. He will say you was a million away. He said this is seven, and I'm not going to do it. Oh, there I'm going to raise it in the water. Even born the woman. I want to make your deal. I want to make your deal. Oh, when I'm not going to you're not going to even going to I want to meet you. Eh? Share this video, guys. Share this video. Where is my robot? Come. My robot kido. Ute tenegia B. The Ute tenegia B of Papillona. No day. Yeah, I'm making up. Huh? No day. Now I'm making up you. No day. Yeah, I'm making up you. Now I'm making up you. Yeah, I'm making up you. No day. No day, Sulu. No day. Agabagebe. Oh, I see. Obrigado. Share this video, guys. Hey, a sucker. Iyo degbe o Papillona. Elephantiasis. Sister elephantiasis. Government property. I said government property. The man like elephantiasis with me. He did. He married her to a dog with Papillona. I don't want to do with a doggy woman. He ever not bought better Papillona. Now here, Ayuda. Frankie. Doriga Yuda. Doriga Yuda. Eh? Doriga Yuda. Meleka yawo henu Doriga Yuda. Mary Sanola lo. Ilalo. Mary Sanola lo. Ilalo. Mary Sanola lo. One, two, three. Oh yeah. Why you go to watch person with 2 mumu? Oh yeah, child. Go and sit down there. Where you want the mumu? You don't know say you want the mumu. Hey. Oh yeah, black man. I phone now, man. It came down. Oh yeah, we are. Sister not over. Well, what got you over? And you may have. A man, got you over. And I already had more help. Whom you were born, we are here. Sister, so late. Anyway, yeah. Yes. Before I fully start with you dig the rock. Let me first start with those useless one and we don't get sense. Me I put some sense in their breakfast. Her Majesty, where's it? Pause. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better water right there. Please share this video. As you're watching this broadcast, please share this video. As the house they play, we the shop and the team be sharp. Open up for you know get we the baby boy. Come on, sit down here. I know you don't get sense. Like we continue to teach you sense, you understand? I'm not gonna feel like me. I remove my glass of face. Me not feel like say I be a born. You know what? Because I don't want to read Bible. You know, famous. Yeah, as you're watching me, please share this video. Let's kick off this. Not call it saga or not saga. I'm not doing saga. Now, first of all, I did see this no when you're in Loveti in a verse. No man who I see. Father rejected, mother rejected, community rejected. Loveti. You go cut video where if you did this war, if you don't mind it, baby, not feel me aqua. Or in the go away with it. If you is already a condemned woman, you understand? Very if you go to mamu if because why? If you is already cost. Traditionally, she's cost. Even for government, she's cost. Then if you can never have a child in abroad again, apart from that way, because of our government, you know. You understand? Kuzo, come on, no kuzo. If you want me, if you now to speak, wow, without them, we're going to be they government man your money. You know, it's written in your documents. You're not qualified to be a mother. You're not a good mother. You understand? How is that? Okay. So, I know one side. Oh, here me, game me, finu get where. Larry, it don't was your bar. Message if you get where. A video didn't work, bearing work with the meuni. Now, this is what I'm wearing a talk. How that video will help you people. If you don't know, I help you when you rescue when you put here. And I will tell you, because I don't want to mention name. Even on that video, I did not mention name. But I will brief you some little things. A video didn't work with me. Go and check. People like, if an video was just going straight to where, the reason why I did that video, where I did that, what's it called, that video. Number one, Roland Ehoy. Number two, Izobwegbada. Now let me explain further of that video. And everything that was that video was concrete and legit. Because why? That is my father's house. You understand? None of you guys knew that Roland Ehoy was a very demonic man in palace who was taking bribes from the palace when he was as a mother then man. You understand? Until the ancestors disgraced him. Until our ancestors put disgrace upon him. When I do that video, no, I hear you guys And when the video is concerned, no, you're barred the now, man, one can. Okay, because my mention them, I also need the video. You understand? These are the people when who take on community, we end up protest the go at Beneta Yagwe. Et on a déjà magé by a Benny Sekine Bawaye. Et on l'a dit magé Benny Sekine Bawaye. Mais tu vois que you banner a victory magri. Et quoi gena me victory. You understand? From this same video no wakakiana. Mais nous même, no we see me. O ya Satan so yon ba. Mais set if you no get me vijime o wa. Ama we don yato nyaku. Tu wa ho ho. Why men why? O wa mo re gboto. You understand? Check out the video that I did concerning the traditional council. And at the end of the day, victory was said. After Ronald, all the atrocities of how we here in Palasiva were all reviewed. Who was war? Because the same people were paying homage to Ronald Ehoy. The same people were eating from Ronald Ehoy. He was also collecting bribe from you people. You understand? I say it out clear the way it is. Ne iyo dead be no ho no re papilona no zua. No do post ye page okay. Now, there's another point I want you guys to listen and listen very carefully. Please share this video. It is very, very vital. Yeah, I'm not wasting your deal with you. I'm not joking. I'm going to make sure I stress you out clearly. Enogie, Richard no yo sadiaye. E la vet no ho and we your mommy let love lead no re papilona. Iyo degbe expect you no re papilona. Sit down. The two of you came out categorically to tell the whole world where the palace has put a stop to it. Where no Sharon OKPAMEN presenter or pick a presenter calls. You understand? Now, please, I want to use this video and I want to use the opportunity to beg you guys. Whatever, no matter the should kindly please send out posts. Don't send to my WhatsApp. Post it on your platform. The press release where the traditional rulers make a decision. You understand? Make a decision or a constitution that none of the chiefs should communicate with presenters or pick presenters' calls who are their sons and daughters in the diaspora. Please. Because anything that is going on, any constitution or any announcement that the palace made, that the traditional council made, is always on a press release. I have numerous of them on my 14th date. On my phone here. So please, and don't get we a retard no yo sadiaye. A retard no ye Daniago no ke okokori. We love it, no we let love it. What post out the press released. Since the chiefs in the palace cannot communicate with the presenters, then a talks in Benin is the only person that you guys represent or you guys call now chiefs in the palace that can communicate with people like E.G. Curtis Tugbo. How Curtis Tugbo has become a chief in the palace, you guys should also let us know. If Curtis Tugbo is now a chief in the palace, the position that Curtis Tugbo belongs to in the palace, or rather in the traditional council, we want to know. If you guys can humiliate a chief in the palace and be giving kudos, praises to a talks in Benin, who moves around with boys alongside with guns, ammunition in Benin, claiming that they are fighting for Benin's. Udamiyavena, Elaveti, you have to come out, you and your so-called, your cohorts, and no get we should please post out the press release of the Benin Traditional Council. Because me, I have any press release of Benin Traditional Council, I always have it on my phone. You understand? Because I have been doing a proper investigation about what you guys said. That the palace has released a press release that none of the chiefs should communicate with their sons and daughters who are on social media cyberspace. So please, you guys should post the press release. If not, that means you guys are the enemy of the Middle Kingdom. And no, come on, we're not the leader. Oh, you're the Amian, we move before no work before. Oh, you're bad, do not. Man, you are a Mugu. And I will tell you for free that you are a Mugu. You never see anything. When time reach, you go no say, "Umen ga terina." Ekyo wo mama, or mago e down umen. Numerous press releases that I have on my phone. Any issues that they release from the palace, signed by the secretary of the Benin Traditional Council, was sent to my phone. Sometimes I decided to read it out. If we know, because not all I will show. So please, this is a message directly from to you both. A Loveti, a Lodeba, a no give we. Please, it may give any wow. No allow. You guys should post the press release. Ne guaya tawe. Ne kohane. Ne regitie. E monire we bon we live video ne. While our release is very important. My boy, yes. As I have said, and I will continue to say, my boy. So when no gui, when mwezo agui, when me go nobody gui. Go release a press release in no cost of alarm, so that most of those chiefs near making nine okay. You need a tower or that, don't matter everywhere, no make it nine. You understand? So that is for that. I greet everybody with better style. Please share this video. Let's go straight to Mommy Ladyjtvshow. I beg, as I don't talk, I'm gonna cut that particular part. Go give a we and Mommy Ladyjtvshow. Let them post out the press release where the Traditional Council give us a decision, rather a rules and regulation that none of the chiefs, the palace chiefs, that will ever communicate with their sons and daughters who are diaspora, especially those that are presenters. They should not pick their calls, rather call them. You understand? Even when they are going at stream, please, Allah, what share if you don't give no give it? No worry, or Spain, or popular. Please, I want to share this video because this video, I want to give you many points, and all these Yama talk where this one both talk yesterday. Can't go make up wear eyeglass. Go talk for the platform. As you see, saga good sometimes, but it's not good. If not for the saga, we have to educate her. Say she too dirty, she knows bath. At least yesterday, now she won't come up for the platform. She go bath, dress well, put wet lips for months, put eyeglass for like a proprietress for Ologboshire Primary School. It's not so that people will still go see customer. Customer. She's still looking for customer. Anyway. Now, please, I just gonna beg you now. When I share this video, go give them. May they post the press release between now and 24 hours. Not me they talk, but I don't want to talk what we say. Una constantly go to Zwo, but I just want to give now this word now. Men now. Now they aim this word out from the direct source. That they gave you for 24 hours to release the press release. Me, Baba with a smile, I carry my phone, I call chief. Right? Mommy Ladyjtvshow lead, which of the chiefs where you know for palace, where you call, put up a live video. Let us hear their name. Mention their name. Obisikan, you will be Egbisikan, the palace. Egbifuku, Egbisikan. Isikan, a chief Isikan will be palace. Uma set it here, yes, she for ban your live video where yes. Baba no sooner than no sooner. Let it Aria, we are near what the ground walking the way, yes, and in the one tiny of your bridge. You will not so repeating the same word I said. And the whole world know when you are stupid, you are useless. Umenwa is you people king. You have to take correction from Umenwa. Because my word is Lord. Last, now go ignore and I will still make use of them. Why ignore? But you guys will still make that same use of that word. Not turning away because what's your muzzle? And what's one your way where you are doing even no muzzle turning why you are last. What is what say? On what your muzzle? On a hamwe, cause you know you broke the bed call the not be Oshia when I will know. When I will know, you get boy retendo. Better get it there. When it's tiny, you are here what he had me say. And then you know my cable. CSRI because you don't know or we. Now, I never say when I like go bogey. Oh, you buy a bogey. That is the reason you know you because oh, you buy it. Yan no, who got sick anywhere, anywhere. Oh, you buy a bogey, but wait a minute. Go ask. Because we don't know what it be a Kimago. Oh, my grandma, no yam belly Murukwadi, Sambisa Forest. Is where big no see a teacher, Papa interest no better go Holland. Nekwemu. Papa interest you are not go big again Holland no Guadaki Biaka. Yellow filo kwayowa. To let more idea what you go go some money. At the end of the day, Yaga Guerrero. If you were a sense somewhere, I hear to US. Hello, excuse me, what's your name? Anyway, hello, mama, hello. At you way. I got you, mama, you go bueno. Umano, Uro water. Oh, never water. And I say, mama, hello, my sister, be careful. Go and look for your husband. It's a bad name. Oh, yeah, I call it Mama G. My sister, that name is very bad. It's the worstest name any woman can answer. Mama G. It's G for general. You are a general woman for everybody. Everybody can shoot in. Everybody can toast in. Don't let anybody call you Mama G. It's a bad name. God go over there now. Omo no we be last now. Okbian we no ma calling we. Oh, you were not join. Una force the man because we go hano. Not here where you were. A job where not where you were. Odegbe. How you do we momo? E dey home yi. Okbian no we oh digwe mi we. Oh tomorrow we I love you. I love you. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. Please marry me. Oh, where are you? It doesn't matter. Do be a name, do be send, do be honey. Igwe koyamoko. Eno why igwe koyamoko ya. I want to be 20 children. I said, nobody can stop it. Anyway, I say, your victory shall give you results. When it's your time to shine, no demon can off the lights. When the right person that will give you joy forever comes, oh yeah, the drum where again I mean now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, maybe me now. Oh yeah, maybe me now. I'm a doggy. That is how it is when God does marvelous things in your life. Why you go to Saloba win that bua? We have to go and win nano Salobua. Why you who not kekene? Why you go look me a little anything? Our help will help those who help themselves. You bring yourself out for men to see. And when men saw you and you are being attracted to men, you respect your dignity as a woman. You respect yourself as a woman, no matter how crazy you are to that man. You respect yourself. You let that man see the respect in your body. Let that man see the maturity in your body. Don't be a nuisance to man. Don't be a pest to the life of a man. They will make use of you and dump you like a chingom. Now no feel for it. This is the problem you have. I come for your daughter, but you decide to You decide to overtake your daughter. Even you were the one walking me for your own daughter. Where? Or walking when me? The video is still on my wall. Let me come and debunk your lies. And not get the truth. And not go tell me say no watch the video. Where you they call it, where they beat your goddaughter. Where you they call it say my in-law. They know why. Even barrister, even judge, even lawyer. They know why. Why they go there. Even after live video we talk indoor. And you send me all those women's pictures. You send me their photos. They don't like you, boy. They don't like you, boy. Go on. When you dead best, when you are bastard, bidi. Who work you go man of policy. When you are big bastard, you are my boyfriend. Umaya boy what has happened to them? At your age, we were hearing that you were being but now you even before we go up there, you even looking for much, but you have you even overtake them. How you go away back from the dinner? Also, nobody was saying, Mother, move you way because that's the move you were way because we're dreading men, we're woolly men. That's the friend of you were. We're not to who were beer, the one who was you have the one go. If they better away. Oh, what would they have done? Yeah, only go and do shopping, buy baby things, buy things for baby, okay? And buy some things for your mommy, okay? Working by this one. My boss. I will the wicked baby bed to carry what he walk back. What I can't do here. Oh, what is my okay, say, yeah. Or walk back way at your age. Your so-called claim 44 years or 43 years. You should who claim 15 years. Who are claim, or you got it 27. You could have claimed 15 years. What 15 years you were? Or you were, or where do you were? Or you were, do you were? Oh, well, was woman for you to be wise. Oh, was when he make a man where, may where of you were. You turn around, snatching me from your daughter. Then you are expecting me to marry you. Is war. Oh, what am I neck binner? Oh, no, I will neck binner. Oh, you will be a person in memu. Hello? Okay. Any more speaker? All right, go. Quarter. Yes. Yeah. God bless you. God bless you. Exactly. 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 Oh yeah, club only. Oh yeah, money. Only my get on your armor. We know we are money, we know we are money. Saga Kingstar, I greet you, my brother. What? You see, it's the truth. Now imagine. Oh, then we're the last one on now. Oh, we were doing. Okay, who knows? They don't even read the one away. No who. Just the way you also want to use me before. They don't even, peradventure, the man you have your last charge for now. No, 4 years, 3 years now. Maybe only then now. Oh, you were not who you say before. Oh, you were not who you say before. But you decide to copy that one. Una moya kara. Ona ya hama. Ona ya hama ne ma biene. Onale. No beg boy back for how many years now? Now imagine where they see when we are because me woman hama fi aru je ko ya de better man ba because me I gallant pass you. Paraventure me do to ya hammer. It will be the woo. I want burn for you. I want burn for you. Because me and you won't. Me and Maro won't be Jesus Christ. And the day I be a moment, I'll be the day. Oh, be Abiona, it's not my business. Because when we toa, it will be toa. A toa will be there. So what if you toa, who will be able toa? You understand? Here, no, okay, it's my son or it's my daughter. Okay, fine. But very well, man, you won't. It can you what you have? Sure, where can you give me your way? I miss from your money, miss from Yahweh. Because we are here. Say, I Budua. Bobozi. Understand? Because money miss from Yahweh. Because we're Zua. Who will say, I will partly for. Agbeyole one of Shaganisho. Agbeyole one of Shaganisho. Are you where you are? I will hear how deserving marriage. Oh, one on Yime. Oh, no, okay. Oh, no, Mose. Oh, one of Bana. I'm with your I'm with your I want to weje. Ne public toilets. Ne public toilet never respect name on obie. Who hear am yok for the first time. Your full community, your full generation will hear am yok. What about my go where? You did not think about it. You don't even think about you don't even have respect for your children. Okoba, who hear am yok bia. Okben where we working if you were. The full house now where who hear am your boyfriend at your age. A boyfriend in the well, we went to watch social media. Why social media? You hear me, you now the full generation of your family now knew you would said you would do one. Wish you were here with your women, a boy no America first time. First time you're going to see this guy, is where he would do one. Now, according to you, why I don't know you know after you're going to give. Who will I give next? Terms and conditions. Una when you get in wanyo. Una when you get with saga. When no you marry anyone, saga. I'm not surprised. The only time when I was saga was when I got married to my wife. When my wife said I should stop. Immediately they see we stop, you know they stop. You don't get us one saga, they don't ask for saga family. Until I insist when no, he stopped because he got stopped. A boy now. Oh, unya. Because I have to move. Even when I didn't have Diowa. For those of you who don't know when I talk so, I come my house. Inside most of the day before I go my house, I posted treasure. Okay, no, 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 Pastor Chris. If I say if you make pen again, I will give you ta. I will give you woto. Try yourself. Let's go there. You go no say, I don't already gather your family. Your family hand. I don't gather them. It did my hand. And look at the picture. That was didn't look that way. Yo, yeah, I move your home. Inigo, no. I am going home. But those guys can remember this video I'm talking about. Do when I'm me. It's unfortunately you jam rock because mingling with two men when you mingle with the rock because you're supposed to know you are mingling with a smart guy and a very intelligent guy. You understand? A smart man always but argument is for smartness for me to be get it clear. You understand? So why I want a man? My guy something. Off work, boy. Now I say video now. Okay, what's new? Or we you now when you make a live video. You know when you get in one you. You know better sell your way. You mao you love your live video. Wow, damn it all. Now make it him work butter. Elephants. Elephantiasis. Make it him work butter be. Odogu bit 5 euro for one odogu meter. 5 euro for one odogu meter. You know how many odogu meter go down? Oh no, when you get in one. Okay, ba. Ona da anyona. This is Vecchio Romania. Ona da anyona ba. Ona the one bag of rice. 1 bag of what? Rice. A bag of rice in will give away work money because it is any. I want to reject gifts because now gifts he use and give me. So I will not reject it. I go give married woman. We do marriage. The day we get accidents. And then in me accident, you have marriage. The marriage in the PK. The men now when see me now, didn't me accident. That woman, is any of gift now. The city one now. For this Palestinian, then you have a gift in there. You understand? What the Africa should be? Pardon me. I respect the way the woman get respect. Then mama hold on. What you get for? Mo dey go my house, try. Mo dey go house. Get what you want give this woman. Now I buy no what when I am present na me moto. Na jali at the Africa shop. Mama take and they give you this one. Wait, no, I dash you because there is no year in here to be ready for a big bag. And my like all those now. I mean like black boy rice. And black boy rice that they buy now they eat. You understand? Una no black boy rice. All those that will make CNC. So now I'm getting the most happy. So, but this Vecchia Romania. You know when you get one no. Or when you know when you get one no. You know get we or I don't know I'm not explaining to you, I'm explaining to the general public. According to what you said on your platform, we you ever have a many get one no. The mega one you get one me. I'm one boy. How we say? This same drink she bought for me. Or when you get one, you know, I done me. Now ask me, other many are here kwa. I been other many are ogun on your demonstration you over. One no, ni one abi. And if you are love you now asking me that. I love you now here. When she came, with that VSOP the bar, you see, you open my fridge now. Many of you know, I know they live fake life. Many of you know, I do videos so that I will open my fridge and I will see my fridge. After the tennis, all you war, where my clothes load the tennis your fridge. VSOP, vegetable man, you come and Genesis, you come and reject fridge, but you watch you. A root no raw, I can't be no root no raw. I don't move office in one table with banga. Only a salad, so I know. Oyuma, Oyuma, Onie. I was using a Yakwa, Punya, our lega. For body pain, for rheumatism. Near follow up. You understand? Okay. This woman, what I don't know, talk hell. This is the plan. This was the work near my, they know the my where command call like this time. Saga. And don't get head enough evidence go. And don't get my evidence go. Because what you needed in Nogi is a proof from them to beat me. But you don't understand where you cannot even beat me because all my proof is always on media. Because I don't have any secrets. The only secret I have is my privacy. What other secrets you look for again? One better go you. A secret in Bola is my Bola. I don't carry a command. To what tell me which other secret? The same thing your so-called daughter. No, I'm going that way. I get the record. Okay, I'm not water. Any water. Any record here. Any video. Any phone here. One year. You might do him. Oh, now my phone you. Are you phone will like video? We were here one evidence. You back up from her. You know how you went here. Now you went with no man. Right? You know go back up from this woman. Who assume? Una si ona idame. Una si ye dame. Who assume? E ko ma get the face like. She will lose the weight now. Who ma mi ropa. Ba bo la you gbe. If I both time about we all can like if they know a picture you we yeah a picture you like they do to agbi you agbe wu. O ma na te so me won here. We yeah agbo wa bi you no one. Loveti, what is where was soon? The social media, oh, I'm soon. A lot of way, who you use is punishment. You guys said, love away. Oh, you have been mine, where I will keep no one. A cap even on your top boy. A cap even on where you like me, or your top boy. Who you soon with a capping enough. A cap even on your soon, who wake up even on your boy. Who wake up even on top boy, we all talk boat, our top boy. When I know I like the cap even on, what do I use? A cap even on one that top boy. 3 years to marry. 3 good years to marry. A capi man are you wearing? Where do you use a capina? A capina gagbo, or gagbo, or gagbo. A pink capina, or gagbo, one pick up no to one pick up no to go. La fête. Toi, one time, Mommy, let's a galid. Mommy, let's a galid. Then your man, the topic of the social media saga. Very saga, the topic of when I love you, everyone saga on social media. When I love you, when I love you, lady, una saga do Moscow. When I love you, lady, una saga here at Jebo. When I love you, when we let the car lead, no soon go in the Borua. If I want life, we go. Now, what bitch will be our go? No code wire. When I love you, no get boy. Mommy, let me call it. Mommy, let the quality. Mommy, si lady, because you like me. Mommy, si loué no soon. You have a lot with me. No good better bitch will go. Here I lay me go and you will no land we were. You don't be again over, be again, no see. It be again to shot. When I love you, when I saga, what do you mean by love? If you really get love, you got a saga for them. If people get problem, are you not supposed to go there and make peace? According to your name, you work according to your name. If you really get love for their those, oh yo gyoba, oh ya risk no gyoba, oh yo gyami egbo gyami no gyoba, oh ye ni cow, no so. The temple was a vow and war. I that you feel me boy. This is just the beginning. It's time we sorry boy. A day here was a dog man no nyawa. A dog man of Sena. You the second is then. Where you not do anything. Now if I come for you. You not I not do you not do what that one will you not do me anything. You not do me anything. Now if I come for you. But when they cry. Why are you crying now? My mama be there the video when you do. Because well, I can never make you popular. But see what we will. Uma do anything. A relationship ends with a match. Immediately we were playing. Who were thank God it's here the way you are coming to my house match ending. The third time. Third tenor. One of you three leg to stand. Who were the first round, who were the second round. One of you three leg to stand. We would do the third tenor I don't get chance. Because I want to go to marriage. My second now marriage, but we the picture beast. Now you hear. So you were angry. Oh, jealousy walk by you. Mommy, let me call it. What did make you think say me go leave but market if you go marry you now? You don't get sense. You know they sick, you know the slippers get size. What did make you think say I go leave market, I'll come marry you? See. You understand? He don't see a kevia, he don't no dead way. He might understand. But money at him might be mad yet though. Me dead to where? Me dead to now. Okay, I can't leave you. I can't leave market. I can't follow mountain that can never be moved. Occupy till I come. Are you okay? We're back me now. Me amu wesi kegbe e TV family me here go to love you let us say you no give oh you no give let us say you menwe what talk be you no o kagbe ma ati go to we talk kagbe ati go to we ni so ati go to menwe why we na me you o ti you na here no see you na here baba o kamen no o we ti why Beg one, we take one, Nugget. Yeah, Baba, what can I know? Eh, oh, man, where? You very well, you were bo. When I give you a boy now, where a boy in my god of Yawadi. Oh, Yai, what Yai, on a married Tom, yo. On a married Tom, ye. I mean, I'm going to man again, webo. I will go to the Moviade. Oh, via webona. On a banya, when I get another your people. Remember, I give me like a man of the talk, where you on a agbo. Remember, I agbo. On a agbo more. I want more. You're more beyond my head away. You're more, man. I believe your mom because of your mona. It may go, come here. Oh, we man, now, Makai, you are born. Oh, I'm you, what is yellow? No, you know, you look at it, we're making a bag him. Making a bag him out. Et de deme nous weje, ouve de deme avec dame, de trouver ma avec B. The age is not even the problem. Oh. They trouver ma avec B, de trouver yon give B. On we are 90 years. Una yon give B. Ime nous me maro we. Yes, oh. Sister, we're 15 years. Una make be 45 years. Ure 43 years we no guy. We na make be 85 years. Everybody mega agwe with Germany is 61 years. 61 years ago, mega agwe with Germany. If I mean, when he may well get darky, we're 43 years. When I year and 99 years. Then we get you were able. A Canadian way to you. Daycare house. A young stage. Here is your yaja. A daycare house in young stage. A craving a fear you turn up pay your name. You were able to give a great fear you turn up pay your name. Sister, you might be. Sister, I beg baby when egg my active. When I'm active here, when I'm here, we might twerk, might check your body twerk, yeah, well, sister. Me, I'm a flexing master. I'm a very flexible master. Mobawa, women, I walk being you are trying now. For how long I am dog at Yabrawe? Amara would day. Amara would day. For how long am I going to be drinking a dog? Yes, Yabrawe. We are there at dog. You really go dog by €5. A night I drink like 3 dog. He are knock you waiting the break. He question up. The funniest part why they would who talking. In my time, I've never, all this thing I'm saying, I've not had it for you. I've never had it for you. But everybody, oh, we are women. Women were. How you don't sleep my body? Babe, me you shift now. Babe, shift. I better not be shouting inside the bed. Sister, when I tell her that video, I will continue saying it. See, this is my job. Sister, when you want to play with women, I will disgrace you. I will mess you up mercilessly. Men are here. In the right now. In we pay husbands. Yes. If you don't know, make you know now. Because if you are a West person, you could have seen on your platform. Also use me to build your platform because you'll be muggle or there. Akbabubu. And you know where to chest. Don't carry chest commas. What you know you can't swallow. Don't open your mouth. You know about this man say big fish. I go show you. Men, all you have clear with no sense with Papillon. That your atrocity. The lies and everything you just sat down at Papillona, I will deal with you. Now your turn, Harrison. Don't play. You go to learn. This time, you go learn. A police in where go and tell them where women were saying, cut my video to them. I have a lawyer here. You understand now? So cut my video to them. They will send me letter. They will go to court. All your video, all your bully video, they tell them they are banned. See on a laptop and so I don't of laptop here. All your video here. Now, where? But you lara you. He's when all no na cigarette money but you like me. If I'm bola quick or bola pure or a barrier. What soon where they were. Where? Sorry. No case you are married because you have been so well. A marriage in you is my choice. Need better opinion than the ring. Mais non, on pas là, ok. Ici, mais on va marier maman musicien. Ici, non, bien. On va marier ici, mais à maman musicien. Bet we you go. Tell them ya one. That's what tradition will say. And I want to be too. I be way be. You see, because what I know is traditionally married as custom and traditions demand. When now when you I you understand because no say I'm go young. Irony is the most important thing in the life of a woman. Oh, get God Yahweh marriage. Oh, make up his car. The marriage will still crumbled. Oh, my God, a not getting marriage. A month and 2 weeks. You not describe marriage, okay? And now we hear, oh, when you go, not bear with subject, or not a bear, and so not see your body. Men now one and a half my home. The man you bought 2 we are broken. Near your boom, you post on after you went. Stop now. Why stop it? We go. You will go. I mean, oh, not able every man knows the way to get your wife. When also, We're not where we are. Bros, where you we make do you not see my house? You see dirty. Where septic bolobo we are. Because you know the house to clean. We might go women. You see the house now. Louis Vuitton. All right here. All right, best friend we are here. Or dead. You see my wardrobe, you see clothes. You see everything was where I read. May live like a big but you are too when I wear, when I walk me, when I wear, you turn the other man. In that's one this split now, I split over. Because you have body odor. Ah, bekaya ohe, liye ke zaze kaya ohe. Odora na dian, odora we, odor nya you ekahwa, oye kawu. Odor la dian wu we, oye kaya wu. When I like seriously, when we talk well, all the time, anyway, pass it, you are a fool. That is what I say. You can hear my tag boy. Yes. That too, when you don't even need to say it, can't lick me. No, I back on you now. They go bend you see from your head to your toes. On your bed, don't see no master. Let it carry tie. No, even though you ready nowadays, don't anyway. Don't even way now. It doesn't have anything to do with me. That's the phones in the relationship. If you're clean, they man go chop you from your head to your toe, go allow your finger, go chop everything about you. Assassin me where you wanna go no. I been where you were. Ne clean me fashion go and elap where you valor, elap where you na the train track, elap where you na the train track. You know. Open your lap, snap and put on Facebook. Make the see. Make the see. Vous ne savez pas si c'est ça là où organic criminal beni agwe as you vunisa agwe you vunisa because we don't vunisa was here. I'm not telling you now I am not advising you now. Bleach criminal ya bleach ni agwe you vunisa make cannot be afwa because you vunisa say vunisa well you may I we bleach. Really ba abi hina oya me we bleach vunisa we o was your sister it told him you destiny, who was on was. You're the desk, who was why you two was he or black sister. Stella, making you don't give me also. When you bleach, why you what you go for all of them with the bleach. And I joke. This is reality. And not be joke. The cream which they use, they try, but the cream they wear. But the yansh, not the cream, not the center of the yansh. When I saw washy or black. Once I know, I go, I think easy way. Even if you are advice way. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. You pick the sense, not the saga. Because through this saga, we tell you the backside about you. Yes. All I feel that you because you snore. I don't know about the snoring matter. The snoring when you snore, you don't let person sleep. If you first sleep, first sleep. Or one give me away, like say they drive motor. On one give me away, it time already for. Or wherever you have a video, that video I did where your head show, not to. You do anything, I don't get anything bad intention about that. I do it because I want to show you how you get the snow. Hello? I must greet you. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. C'est bien en ma fond. Oazi là, on va kill woman. On kill this man small. Now small kill one kill. One on vessel. For those women where they wash me, don't be offended. This time, you know, so this is just me. I'm a very useless person. So you take me the way I am. You understand? No, thank God say I don't marry. If to say as I talk about this one now. I never see woman where will marry me. You never see Frank a bad person. Now you can't make woman not follow one. But woman don't marry me already, Abi. So when I sit down and listen. My daughter offers.
Daddy.
Yeah, me amo ye kudoko ya tomo speaker. Speaker tomo ye.
Eh?
Oh yeah, damn ya put up. You don't speak on ya talk to me. Talk.
Daddy, put up on loudspeaker. You know say no daylight video yesterday. It's almost about 2 hours, almost 3 hours.
Yes.
You don't watch from 2 hours, 30 minutes go. Daddy, if you see that distress and shame, Daddy, if you watch that 2 hours, 30 minutes, oh, what precious man, they give out woto. See the bullet, they pass each other. The bullet, this one will give king. Precious man will give king. The bullet was going. That you put out 2 hours, 30 minutes, what about this one? Who do I get bullet? But let her die. I got the better the bullet don't hear me. Oh, that if you listen to that bullet, they look at where I said, here they do argument. I will get tired. Hey, look, you guys are pretty dinner. Because it's a perfect
2 hours, 30 minutes.
Why can't we get your time? Why your time? And the person, baby, back away. Precious light don't be delayed. Oh, that you listen to now. That's what they call you for. Then 2 hours, 30 minutes.
Okay, let me go check. 2 hours, 30 minutes olokun. Olokun. Ọdẹgbẹ. Ọgbẹgbẹ.
Today now. Yeah. I don't like now to open that video now. Even though I know it not be true. I will not do it because I'm a woman. I will not.
Precious man, if I bought Lara Wegby. If I bought all young lies Wegby. Precious man, you are a bunch of illiterates. Yeah, you are a bunch of illiterates. That's who you are. Oh, well, now. But see yourself, you don't have control over yourself. Who will go on? Who only you know if you want to know because we're going to make it. Is where you know precious man. What visual? If I bring loud, yeah. If we have both sides, precious man. Share you the feeling. Udere mani meho na of it so well. That's what Zua of it Basewe. That's what tell you. That's my cassava. That's little life. Me I know the chance man thing. That's not cassava. You never in a smoke cassava ya go no go to. Precious man they feel am. You know say I not be your mate. Where being with me who? Because where in your daughter you die. I will wear na. It's somewhere fear is it. It's wonderful where fear it is. Go and mark what I've told you today. Precious man, your aim for life, your target for life is to have a man in your life that you will call a husband. But mark it today, you can never have a husband. You know if you understand though, because I open I way, where setting your door, who can bob boni bio, who were quicker the bottom, too quicker. This is no saga, this is reality. It might sound funny, but too quicker because who's Zua. You are a mad woman. Man, Ladyjtvshow, see your life now. See your life now. See your life now. See your life now. Oh yeah, shake on. Ladyjtvshow, see your life now. See your life. Oh yeah, shake on. Want to do saga? Come on, let's go there. Precious let the big benyawe now. Precious let the big benyawe now. Precious potter is shitting on your head. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, we are hearing you loud and clear. Okay, no give it. Ciao. Bye bye. Block any. What? Now, go ahead, the video.
Do it. I will not do it, and I will not support him to bully you or to try to buy you. Because I people like control you. Even me, I don't get to know how you take two pictures of it. You are a woman, you are a single woman, you are not an adult person because you never married. So you get right to get line and you supported it. It was that one boy was going to bully me. You call him, you go to comment, you go call him. Why? Okay, why you let me talk? You don't ask me. You let me talk. Why you make one because me? Because I don't support anyone with the bully.
You will not support any man with a bully woman, but you will support a woman with a bully man. Right? Fool like you. On this social media, it doesn't determine who you bully or you don't bully. Who messed up, give him to. Who messed down, give him ta. Whether man or woman. Woman. Money cannot be bully man. Money cannot be bully woman. You were once a supporter, a puppy of Monica for years. Before Monica threw you. So you have this mindset of not supporting a woman, supporting a man who they bully woman. But you were supporting a woman who they bully man. And you were this stupid way you are also clapping hand for now. Oh, you're not a bully man. You're not a bully woman. You're a bully sister. Also, precious lady. Come on. You don't know what you did talk. You don't know what you did talk. You don't know what you did talk. You were supporting Giano Sagi, Anini Atakparo Sagi, Jonanini for bullying Pisilia. You know the support man with a bully woman. Hello, precious lady. Are you sure you know what you're saying? Are you sure you're on your right senses?
Mama, go on. Now, precious Meg, before me and you can get one, you fair come to me. Okay. Most of now Sagami, every day. And then bring it up in the yeah. No, yeah, when you're when you had it double. No, they did that up here. Oh, yeah, I'm going to yes, only my book. It is even yesterday, the date and everything.
Baba with his smile. I know. I don't like it.
But let me tell you what it is, Meg. You know what I camera will go because when you lied against me, women are like flesh boss. Have you seen me say flesh boss? A woman are like flesh boss. They're like flesh boss. They are not people sitting, not just another woman. Mama, Lady Precious Meg. Now, platform. I am not depressed. It's happening to me. My lady, let lovely, please. Now, who will be me? You have to come allow.
Yes, my people, I greet you all with better style. I don't want to listen to these jargons. There's one line with this Lovette. No when you Mumu let it lead. Let Saga lead. Ogo no what have life doing no gina ya debunk. Ogo ni tawo life no gina me ya debunk na wa down yo. I have proof to that. Mumu let it lead. Yanikwa. Please guys, share this video. Don't worry, you go hey. Where? You too small. Mumu let it lead. Let me just debunk your lie when you like when you don't give platform say you don't enter fleece boss. Let me your debunk it right now so you know enter Flipboard. Let's take care of not enter Flipboard. So you say big girl, you know enter Flipboard. No, doesn't use Flipboard. What the fuck? She doesn't use Flipboard, you know what I'm saying? She doesn't use Flipboard. No. Let's take care cannot use Flipboard. No. She cannot use Flipboard. No. Who does that? Mumula Tekialid. This was when Mumula Tekialid was coming to my house the first time. This was when she was coming to my house. Go watch the video. He did a video inside Flipboard. Mumula Tekialid. This was when she was coming to my house. This was when she was coming to my house inside Flipboard. She did a video. She took a Flipboard from her city, Papillona, straight to Barcelona. In Barcelona, she spent overnight because her flat had to move in the middle of the night. She moved in the middle of the night from Barcelona, you understand, straight down to Fiumicino, Roma Fiumicino. You understand what I'm saying? So, she had to take a Flipboard from our city straight down to Barcelona. Sister, why they lie? You do they lie. See, you see this your lie, I go use on the blast you. Oh, when I hear boy. Oh, here oh, where? Now when you make one, and me hear the love ya cool way. Me man and one yon, me use it in work, but over work basset. Oh, to take the work in a way. Make it bell the dog bitter of one bazar. All this thing I'm saying, so live video. I was on live video. When they watch me that time now. People when they comment, people they smile. You know for this alcohol. Stop drinking. It's not good for your head. It's not good for your kidney. The kidney womb. It's for my womb. And they fire down. And they fire because Mary moving and they make me go. I want you. You don't want to drink. It's not the yes, what I put in the gap. Yeah, where were your day of one basil, man, dear way. When my men of got a bog gagby, my men are where you did with ya. If I can hear when we let the carry your now, okay. You are you go here, if you go, here. Mommy, let the carry. Where ye are, Saturday, we who will stop him in the game one. You're where? Anything might stop me when I'm where. But Bokan Lawi. Oh, when you marry you, oh, you can use idea of the remains. It's okay now, it's okay. Me, I'm looking me out when okay beer, okay beer. Or can't beer. Or you can't see this beer will carry for 1 week. No let time pass 1 week. No let time pass this or this will open another year. If you pass it, if I don't want to see you go buy beer, okay, no problem. Because of you dodge, you got even make a dodge back. Yeah, they be codedly. Because me once be the SS in cut your turn. May I dodge do you replace any year we cannot code the way me want it. I say bad guy. You understand? The man was telling you, me worry let you are a lead. You say go a rushes on BS from tennis we are completing me SS in me. Especially na go again, na go there. Again again, let's Sharon. Where, sister? We are moving me now. Wow, need to kill Mugu. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Ewe, live video. Okay, ma. Manyo. Okay, ma. Ewe. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Wait, Tasha. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go there because I'm going to unveil many things today. Share this video. I'm going to unveil many secrets today. Wahala, Baba, what is my? Here we not total. Tiewi no total. Baba, no baba nak me kawena. Baba nak me kaw. Baba, sister, baba nak me kawe. Baba. If you know, say you are because it's not disgrace of social media, bobone. Oh God. Una ya quick away. Am I ya so ye media? Am I disgrace a quick away? Ashi wele. Ashi plop. Ashi wele. Ashi plop. Bobo na quick away. Bobo sister. Bobo na quick away na. Bobo na quick away. I'm going to walk. One of my people gonna disgrace. Allow that one. You water. This useless woman. no hoa. No my head. Ni waya CI. Oh, yeah, you tell a video. Walking engage a winner. I can hear like Matana la Saga Miakamona. Or when you got me mega saga Cobeno, Acobeno Zua. No matter what, Acobeno frustrated aggressive, Mama America. Acobeno boy, I'm aggressive. You're not going to aggressive young Jamude. America. Acobeno fine. A fair aggressive. I could be a total what the mind understand. I will come for that topic on another day. I will come and expose Acobeno whistle get up. I will expose him. On that day. You understand? Many of you don't know, but there are things that you don't know. A big pass you. Akobe, Ebonweu, Eseti me. That is me for you. You can't understand. Ebonweu, Eseti me. Go ask. Tiawa bonia tota. When you are here, even no gualo, even no me. Moyu giwa una. Tiawa boni. When you are here, even no me. Ni ariene ni zuwa ni ge yetitene we set him with my brother before you see mo hey no calling oh this call I need to pick this call kade no hello Alpha hello okay no shaking. All right, thank you very much. You understand? I have unveiling many things. Before I can unveiling many things about this useless woman. Please share this video. I'll give it all up now. Ya said me Epa Eddie agameya wefe. Or Daphne Vivian. Ya unveiling many things. Because Ajebo call him we know day. Immediately I end the live video. You can't worry, on my quadjebo. On me with the life. You are contribute. No, you like what you don't feel live video now. We because you know come across the video now. And me running your tone, you know eh. Now we feel live video now, okay. Anytime you have a live video, you not try, you not getting online. Now, if you know, tag Ajebo for this video. I want him to call. If you don't take nothing, no, you know the ride, no, nothing tag. You don't know tag that boy video now. Just a boy I knew when you watch him now. Tag him on this video. Because there are many things we really need to talk about this useless woman. There be two. This woman, there be two. And there be friend, there be best friend. There be two. There be very who go scratch them for this media. I will crush them. I will tell them, there be two. If you reach that one tongue, I will bring that one out. Because that one already shook leg for shit already. For this same friend matter. It don't evolve and it go drag down. It already shook leg for pota already for this matter. And it go drag down and I go deal with her, but not be joke. I go deal with her. I mean tell them so they tell them go hard. I go drag down for this matter. I go piece for a piston. There be two. Now, let us play this Abbas war video. Me and hear their fight.
Yeah, we live now in a lady precious man.
Okay.
Whatsoever the both of you are, because of me, even me.
Offset. Send the video, offset.
Mama, ya de bitch Mama ya ku. Mama lao. Mama lao. Lao. What do you Mama let nobody say. You are cover me. Ya ti me wo wa. Hello.
Mama let the carry. Oh my God.
Lao, you go worry to Tori. Lao. Lao. Oh, aru ba ya gui. Even now voice lao my way. Now lao wo lao. Iya. Ya ti ya ba wo wa. Issue of no is that.
Hey, now where page you working at? Go on, can I what I want to do? Want to try the food?
Let love, please, now.
You are gonna with life. I know what the better. Hey, so don't that boy you gonna look belly.
Now.
Too useless woman, God bless you.
Well, if I will give it last, I got money. What do I miss? Break it here. Start this. I don't make it better elephants. You're good elephant for nothing. Nothing. Don't give yourself an elephant and you'll be permanent here. Nothing.
Yeah.
My permanent in my union.
I'm literally everybody. Boom, look at the big.
Mama let love on say ma on say.
No good.
Mama ya so wu say. Ya so wu. The issue right now is that Omozwo have failed. That is the simple truth. Omozwo have failed. Yes. Mama.
Oui.
Why you where they boy come on? Need your job. Yeah. Mama will be la ye. I am being no market chicken and me.
Oh yeah, the next boy. Our ancestors know the sleep.
Very question, Mama. It should maintain you. I don't know where you are. In another job, we have
I'm gonna go back. I'll show now.
You are a woman, you are a single woman, you are not an adopted son because you never married. So you get right to be just like me. Then why the condemnation, why the lies? And you fully know that this boy was lying and you supported it. That boy was going to call him, you call him, you go to comment, you go call him, why? Okay, why you let me talk? You don't ask me. Let me talk. You want why you make one piece of snake? I don't support anyone with the police.
I got show my picture. No worry.
Mama,
I go ahead. What about?
Now, Peter Snake, before me and you can get one, you fair come to me.
Okay.
Most of us are going every day. And then bring the right up in the year. When you are when you are money, you are the double. When you are the right up here. Oh, when you are looking at the yes, only I'm a couple of it is even yesterday, the test and everything.
Share this video, guys. Give me a like. What I hear. Okay.
Well, let me say
precious man. Una worry camera wa go make very precious man because when you lie against me, women are like flesh boss. Have you seen me say flesh boss? A woman are like they like the way I'm not people sitting not just no.
So boy,
Mama, lady precious man. Now, platform. I am not depressed. It's happening to me. My lady, lovely. Now, who will be me? You have to be. Come allow. You have to be lady precious man. Whatsoever the both of you are, because of me, even
okay. Osati. I get a call. Please share this with the call. So, I talk about you.
Hello.
Well, I want to talk for a bit.
Hey, my brother Frank Obo.
I must greet you. I talk better.
My family over.
Most over.
Ladyjtvshow, my baba na who win it we who rely me Martin realize and it young clear line now can you pick for niti we.
What?
Oh yo.
What?
Where say kakabo? Where say?
Yeah.
Matter reg me moti we no there. We understand it now now we finish a live video for them. Reason able to hear there oguna no mumu let lead TV man not TV.
Yeah.
No me better man no they now Otani only Norway.
Yeah.
So Otani, having Norway, and the public the last video when I even boom, we went now.
Yeah.
Number one, Otani Frank, in a way, Ohona, a way, not when you speak out with you.
Oh, let's speak out.
In a way, a way, Ohona do ya how we see her, man. Gunye with your Dohane, Unyeji. Hama maybe Hamie Severi Nilao Niga Joe na egise na mena hie kuni me mefie kepie binyake ya kokobona ye mejebe duate mo hime no su wime ibebe duate ya maye yeveri ejemi ina muyote kheyebe ejemi ive buya die Spain obijeme ona gagabo babogu. Because they number one kuna ima boka de agui ina yori saga na yori saga ide de for no make that because some really of your bit to your but okuna ma boy maka de guide o me video no we na la jata we o ma ri otupa obi ama anu ifa then a lot of presenters started analyzing that video. Which me to be me ya analyze the program.
Yeah.
So me realize that we video the video body wago sika. Then I yeah you could not know sika me gele ya is o gelero sika na wa ki ona wago sika na e bo una e Frank kwe wa e gugu e wa betize ma yi go yo. My brother then you wa gbe bi me yin ona wo mo ko ni e. So na when you know we no dey ni mana get where we like where really yani my brother where by because give a surprise and I really know although one to all where you get about so but I said let me ask you this question if it was a teamwork because remember do not there Frank imagine why there Ukuna Mario Wabete imagine Ukuna stay in Spain.
Yes.
So, no, or tell me now when you can't get no tally.
What? So about the power?
Where's it?
In that one first of all, we know what I mean. Where do marry my word nowhere or do bow ugiasen where what is it? Oh, here, what we couldn't where. You understand? When you may, even though here we are, because you have everywhere. Everywhere as the Latin woman, the row we met, or rebed me. Yes, everywhere Latin woman. What's soon where December 14, 2023, audio one. What give you one, my way rebed. No, I will you know, and then I go on. So, you know, we want to call you. Or you call you, marry you, now it will be, now it will be. But you will know, you go away again. Who are you, I know with you. Oh, yes, waiting here when it's sitting with having you, worrying. You know, apart from me, we don't know here. Or what you bought. Don't even know. Or what you bought. You know, how come I with you women? What you bought? Why, yes, what you bought toasting, when I get toasting, a bucket toasting, so a boyfriend, you know, but. You are a general calling him, you are a boss. Away, you know, like a man where you are a boyfriend. You know, one of the name with I need boyfriend. We know one. We are under before no way, Frank. We are Frank. No matter where. That's why you're going in with all women now. Oh, yes. Man, time and I aware. You understand? Man, I lock up. The rest of the video, the Melio Cola one, every day, you call one of us, you understand? A video name. Or tell us, Yaro, you you know, your hack bay, you're not one, like, you know, your picture, or one, no party, I want to call you, Kivarian, on the view, you know, the Yaro. So, when you was here, near the desert, you understand? You got the large and the man where all of your coconut or do I tell you live video. So, never avoid it, not really avoid it. But the situation where those set, always a way or too much be. I was not able to bear it anymore. You know, I was short video to whom it may concern.
Yes.
You understand? And yeah, we video we might have him on school. Now we video no too. You give a video near video one of those in your way. To the extent you to be a man yet bio in the corrupt. Because in a few when you are not like those saga here. Nah, see me. And now I'm okay, we relax. The saga was here in me. Momwere, Mowe doyo. You understand? Ne Momwere, Mowe doyo. Emi na lati me na we suzuzi audio women me mekona. You understand? Because me dey suzuzi like sagani. It was really powerful. And the suzuzi here see sagani ya hit high because suzuzi pharmacy here. So to make that saga quench, I had to hit on the suzuzi way, suzuzi me mekona. You understand? It may surprise me get a picture where me get home where I say boy mana. And like bata luga nearly after the media. I don't women. It may surprise what you can't jump with the matter now. You know, what's such a boy? You understand? We must say, boy, we forget about them. We are here to know you matter go vera. Amount and anyway, I had this way. No, what you boy already, if you want to was no abune. Okay, mammy, but I wear ya tala de bon amana. There's nothing like that. The only time my atem way or we were betting me. We know we don't have no hair good your one on our jebo. Awful. You know, so I jebo toast to what you want to see. Now jebo we go, what you book we women. I mean, I lock up. Small stuff. And yes, my brother, my wife, my plan where Yaka where at the ball, I'm not like that. There was nothing like that. She by herself mentally forged out. No make another answer because me agree on it several times. If people not one. Emi no ya kwa you we imani you no we gwa jebo gwa we say jebo ayi we si men na ayi we forget about the men na we ti mo be e mata adoto e topic ya adoto no nyo we gwa yo oga egwu na we do ya go with live video ina we ya we live video we say jebo ayi we tanya ne we si ayi owo yen ho oyi was egwu no ye one government mu na we do o so atie o le 10,000 o le 2,000 you understand. So, you know, all you did, all no woman, and you know, your way. And no soon, my brother, my wife back with Matani, there is nothing like that, you know. My plan will be my plan of
we say, Frank Victor, I'm happy that a lot of people are watching you. Because I am in Matawa, here to. Ni hiya heme iyetu na unya pegi iyetu ni mekuifa ni ya fefefe ni ya kakabo guma imuti amana. Okawo my brother from Fito.
Wemenu Kunatana, Menamia Wefi, Ogu Eguana, Ima Opa, Ima Eva Vigime, Ariagmo, Ariemi. Or what Guaho Wagmo, and all Senamia Wena, Udevi Maka, Ni Monibu, Ni Ayamo Ebo, Itabo Pamela. Yeti saga Unenaka Yogi Saga or Saga Equi, because of the media video. More guave bet you even in our mother go to the book one in our Iseti La Yabe Wawa. Was here, we don't let her reply. Yeti Wagaga, the eye way to Pafitoya Waru is looking at the winner up. A man of mine will be a let us maybe reply when in reason Baronagu Yapo Bisaka way, in my way the demete. Now, one of you tell me now, if you Latin, if you review it, what to in an comment about just saying, they have more is taking more work. Make follow with any social media. But I just came up, you know, woman, let me go at the bucket. Maybe the bucket, all I get to mess where the baby way. One of my live video was yet one guy out the latest update to the screen. A guy got a few basic which for my woman if you did them. I don't buy guy now you to tell you on my platform. Or tell you on my platform, when I don't watch it, I'll be a dead egg. I want to know what will be a man. A dead egg may always tell Manila bringing a Rovia, me Moscow, Yechiba, a Rovia, my brother, my in a way lock up in my way. It has a yeah, what's a platform guy? When you just theater where now, when original name, he can even more money, yes, yeah, more money. So Elia Yamueko, Ina Yamu, Igbe. Now, niggas see where Google Town Demon or the way. The Egita no the platform in Nachi no the Nanya, my Veta with a Moeko the Evieto, the Wada, the Mamadu, where gave Annie McBeth, no the Frankie, and the Egitano, or women are chasing. Or we a man anymore where they fear bad. This is a woman who is insulting my enemy daily basis. They may say you're in a women of Kenya on the problem. Now, no kind a free sports, no like Frank, or one of my way, my tell with them or my colleague, we Italian and running while where you won't point by my brother. Imagine here, yes, you know, Salon one allow you not to see me.
Oh, you know.
Now what told or one engine who not till the says the Maho day, or you watch him or 2 minutes, a donuse, a pausin or way, a reminder Nonya to guy where you will a wife fan of the social media and Frantito, no what been a name a daughter of woman when a worry to the level of Paga where you will or Tiama Villana. Then after 2 days, only the one way case having his favor and pastor say we you feel here and community don't go again away a week while no go na do feel what it take in a do a case and all the theory all the tiame bani all the aroviani if you do ya active all is a team no guitar it make sense when you are arovi my all guitar man female is pay no person make it this or line
yes
you know come at this this time motor in call man drop. But at the end of the day, winner, my brother, motor block and mama will block. So they block because he said it all. Or I'm making an national document. Oh, yeah, you know what? Yes, it might be care. Then where don't we future now? We analyze it, we analyze it. Don't want to pick this interest to me. So any my brother, my arrows is there. So now we my royal matter who are not here body in all time where they go out all time where mamma when already and my vow what by the YouTube in a here on Toshipo Mama. The only one we can any I just want to psyche like his social media and psyche as I was saying why vow with no salon. This is how they come because I where my level because I know Colombia were sharp enough or many machine. Except if you know where or I imam who never was my brother, this is the area, then we choose to come in. When it come out,
exactly.
My come a video while he might toast my brother, making us too so low. The mayor will go because the money is a guy, even time I know the video the man who are not team and see how who don't buy watch or 20 getting the But if you look at me, so it don't platform when I really
Yeah.
but to Salobo and those CMM. And I want everybody that's watching on your platform, ni allow ni here kume no huna. A reason ye go kade de ata yi mo mwe kuni. Ana na ye give time mo imwe kuni na wait give it toast you we ma kume me na appear. So what have come over her, my brother?
A woman is depressed.
So you want say when you telling her only no where's una be aso my brother what you want me?
What so?
E yen say ma we ma tell me na do to wa we frank ma toast o na
Okay. There you like, what you see like?
Where's my brother? Now I watch you. The program is very interesting.
What so?
Where's it?
Yeah.
Where's it?
I love it. It's how we ignya yogi. Yaliwe we saga. I will not use lie to talk to you. I am educating you. It's ex-saga. Ajebo Colina. You categorically told me where Ajebo with your women. Why got one with Lisbons? You understand? Thank God where the water boy call now. Look at what you man. The only time you mentioned my name to him was when you were praising me to him. The same person where you were talking about when they cry. When we were here only 10,000, only 3,000. Oh, we were here only 3,000. The same when we were tired about they cry. The same person well, the same person all the chase away. Now, menu menwa. Let me read again. Let me read to you back, you guys. According to you, when I begin, then who will the media una wa jebonyako? Why don't we hurry do? We're going to wanna useless here. How useless this woman be? Why down here? Let's go there. Watching video no down here. On na what you on the word you on. Have it here no there. On no way wo mo ko ni e o. What down here we no give me. You understand? You will not give me many more. Emmanuel will back way ye. No gag you. Oh, ye gagging a calorie. Or calor bulori. A bulu no. A bulu. In Tory Bay. Ah. Or Tory Bay. Or money more zero. Or gag you now. Now, Gumetier, if not me gume. A date no yag money. Yabe pally yaman. Okay, this was February 23rd, February 23, 2024. When your February ends 28 days, everybody already that month, that second month of the year, or yeah, on the 23, and you're gonna give me, mind you, in our introduction, social media on the 18th of February, introduction, in our announcement social media where you know, not so you understand? On the 23rd of February, you understand? 5 days later, the month ends. Then, on the 2nd, we marriage. Walk me while down here. Blessed night to you. I have been calling you. You don't pick my calls. And you don't even call me back. Well, the reason why I was calling you, it is because I was 6 months pregnant. And I wanted us to talk about it. Since you didn't pick my call, you don't want to talk to me, I decided to go for abortion. Well, I decided to go for what? Abortion. I don't want to give birth to any child again.